Mirror, mirror on the wall. Tell me, who am I?
You are a consumer.
Me?
Yes, you. You are a consumer. Let me explain you how.
Yes, at times we don't get the best products or services of our money. To understand this better, look at this conversation between Sam and Sarika.
Hey Sarika, how are you?
मैं तो अच्छी हूँ, तू बता।
All good यार। और बता, संडे को क्या किया तूने?
कल तो हम शॉपिंग करने गए, but it was a bad experience. We forgot to ask the shopkeeper for the bill, and the clothes we bought turned out to be defective. पर जब हम शॉप पर वापस गए, they refused to give a refund to us.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है।
Ooh. But, do you know what? You can still complain in a consumer court.
We tried, but they couldn't help us क्योंकि हमारे पास बिल नहीं था।
Oh no! This was a lesson for you. In today's world, it is of paramount importance to be aware about one's consumer rights and obligations so that we do not get exploited by the clever sellers in the market.
No.
Always research before you buy a product. Buy goods and services belonging to a reputable brand. Look out for assurance like ISI, Agmark, FPO, FSI, Hallmark, etc. Always ask for a bill. Ensure you have the proper warranties where applicable. If you have a complaint, raise an issue with a retailer or the company. Always read the product labels before you buy. Check contents, expiry date of manufacture, net weight and MRP.
The 24th December is observed as the National Consumers' Day, as on this day, the Indian Parliament enacted the Consumer Protection Act, popularly known as COPRA, and things began to transform here. Right to safety. It means the consumer should be protected from goods which are hazardous to life and property. Second one is right to be informed. The consumer must be provided with accurate information about QQPPS of goods and services.
QQPPS?
Yes, QQPPS is the quality, quantity, price, purity and standard of goods. The third right is right to choose. Consumers should have access to a variety of goods and services at a competitive price. Fourth, right to be heard. This right helps to empower the consumers by putting forward their concerns fearlessly and raising their voice against products or even companies. Right to consumer education. Consumers have a right to know about the relevant laws to prevent unfair trade practices and to follow the procedures while making complaint. The seventh right is right to representation. The consumer associations will guide consumers and if need be, even represent them in the consumer court. And the last right is right to seek redressal. Consumers have the right to set things right against unfair trade practices and get a fair settlement for genuine grievances.
Thanks to these rights, today the consumer is the king of the market.